Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Telegram code expired. So if you're getting a code expired error when trying to log into your Telegram, follow these steps to fix this error code. So the first thing is to request a new code and wait for the code to disappear and then request a new one. Then avoid requests at once, avoid multiple requests at once to prevent delay. Then once that is done, then check the correct platform. Telegram send login codes via Telegram app, or if logged into another device. They can also request for SMS if no active section. They can also call if SMS is delayed, and make sure you are entering the latest code. And after that, ensure the correct time and date. Go to settings, then from there click on time and language and enable automatic time and date. Then incorrect time settings can cause verification issue most times like that. So you just have to make sure you are running on a time, normal or correct time, which is based on your current time zone. And after that, make sure you switch to a Wi-Fi if the mobile data is not stable. And also, a weak connection can delay the code delivery sometimes. And check for Telegram restriction. If your request is too much, if you request too many codes at a time, Telegram may temporarily block new request, and you have to wait for 24 hours before you can get a new one. And that's the simple way at which you can fix Telegram code expire. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.